Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Lamborghini Urus versus the Lotus Eletre. We'll explore how these two high-performance SUVs stack up against each other, from their powertrains and acceleration to their luxurious interiors and overall driving experience. Get ready for a deep dive into what makes each of these vehicles a standout in the super SUV segment. When it comes to raw power, both SUVs deliver exhilarating performance. The Lamborghini Urus, especially the new SE Hybrid, can produce up to 790 horsepower, rocketing from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. The all-electric Lotus Eletre R, however, pushes boundaries with 905 horsepower, achieving the same sprint in a blistering 7 seconds. Inside, these SUVs offer distinct luxury experiences. The Urus embraces a feel like a pilot philosophy with its engaging cockpit, featuring a blend of digital and physical controls. In contrast, the Eletre presents a sleek, modern interior dominated by a large OLED touchscreen and advanced digital displays. Both vehicles prioritize comfort and offer versatile seating for up to 5 people. Choosing between these two hyper SUVs depends on your priorities. The Lamborghini Urus delivers a visceral, V8-powered or hybrid experience with aggressive styling and a rich heritage. The Lotus Eletre, on the other hand, represents the future with its all-electric powertrain, cutting-edge technology, and impressive range. Both are incredible machines, but the Eletre offers a compelling electric alternative at a more accessible starting price. Be sure to check the description for a link to some great meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.